Today we're gonna test these.
No way those fit you, dude.
I don't know.
Are you a size large?
This is a large.
Is it our turn to go? I feel like it's our turn to go, no?
I guess so.
That guy's staring at us. No, I gotta go check out though before these guys get ticked off. I don't want nothing falling out, you hear?
Yeah, I heard you that time.
Don't worry, I got the blinkers on. Yeah, next time we should bring a van, yeah. Bro, what the heck, dude? Pick it up now. Bro, that's lame, dude. That guy really just ran over our stuff.
That's okay.
Yeah, our stuff fell out. The guy ran over it, but we're good. Thanks for asking. Oh my goodness, dude. Guy really ran over all our stuff. As you can see, all this stuff fell on the street. It was kind of funny at first, but now it's just kind of like a headache. First time, kind of funny. Second time, okay. By the third, fourth time, it was starting to get annoying. People were like trying to take our stuff. I was like, back off, dude. Wasn't even there for like a minute. People were already trying to take our stuff. All ready? Go, bro. Oh, touch. Think of these as like the springs or the trampoline. So you just kind of gotta. You know how superheroes land? Okay, on this side. Go. Alright, we just got done watching Creed 3. I haven't even seen the first two, so I was kind of lost throughout the movie. They got all these other movies too. Look at this one. They got Ollie, Will Smith. That one's gonna be good. Maybe not as good. Ever since Will Smith smacked Chris Rock.
Oh, wow! Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
It just was downhill from there. This guy likes to record me. I don't even know this guy, but.
Yep, that.
I just smacked the phone.
Hey,
I just like smack it out of his hand.
Watch out.
Bro, watch this one boxing movie. Dude, get this guy. Get this guy. Put this in cinematic mode. Da 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 da. Walks.
Baby, good job.
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh my God. And make sure y'all follow me on the gram at I'm Just a Regular Person. At I'm Just a Regular Person. Let me get that funnel cake. Don't drop it.
Oh, gotta use your feet. Gotta use your feet. You hit it like this. Wow, that's fine. I don't want to throw it too fast and block it. Really bouncy ball.
Ball. Oh!
Come on, hit it in, Jake. It goes in the hole. Yeah, there we go. He just wants the ball. That's all he wants is the ball.
Come on, man. They wanna...
Oh, all of that for you to miss, bro? Come on, man.
Oh,
You saw that?
quítense, quítense. Tiffany, muévete. Choco, quítate.
All ready? Last one. You got this?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
What do you got there?
Dinosaur.
Wow. What did you get?
Nothing. Nothing.
Free toys.
Welcome to
Caleb.
Toy Review.
Excuse me, can I review your toy? Can you do me a toy review? Excuse me, ma'am, can you review your toy to me? Give me a little toy review.
I have a 2 for 20. I have a 2 for 20.
How many swords do you need, bro?
¿Qué? ¿Qué falta? Ah, perdiste. Perdiste. Abusado. Ahorita lo voy aquí.
¿Por qué hiciste eso, niño?
Fix. What do you need? You want to put it in there? Or you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, how much is this? 1, 2, 3. All right, thanks.
No! Get
Oh yeah, that one will definitely work. Yeah.
Put 3?
Want to put all those in there? Yep. Go ahead. That should help. Yep, that should go. There you go. Oh, what the heck?
Ooh. Back to him. Don't do that! That's crazy!
Watch out, Gail. Get this. This is my thumbnail.